Good morning from day 4 of Osaka, which is our second last day here in Osaka. And tomorrow we are leaving. But for today, we have couple of things planned. Namba Yasaka Jin, which is also a tourist destination. We'll end our night in Dotonbori mostly and do some more gaming and more fun, more activity. So that's the plan for today. Today is our final night here in Osaka. Let's make most of the last day here in Osaka today. So we have come to this one place which is called as the Colony. ये हमने Instagram पे ही ढूंढी है and their famous thing is to have pancakes. वो जो very fluffy pancakes is what we are gonna have. We have ordered for one which is the chocolate banana souffle pancakes. They are fluffy like clouds. Our souffle pancakes are made with whipped egg. And one good thing which they mentioned over here which is says please call the waiter. When you have decided what you want to order or want to pay, you have to raise a hand or call out to the waiter. In Japan, it is customary to call a waiter once you decide what you want to order. It's not bad manners. Japanese waiters don't have the habit of checking on customers' table, which is checking on customers' table too frequently can sometimes be upsetting to customers, which is very contrary to how both of us are used to. So it was a good disclaimer in the beginning of the menu. In this specific place, it is mandatory to order drink per person and also I think order one food item. This is a cash only restaurant, which is our first cash only restaurant here. अभी तक हम जहाँ पे भी गए हैं, small or big, it has always been credit card transactions. It's a very beautiful restaurant. It's Leon, and ये इसका exterior is also very nice. Let's see how the pancakes come out to be. It's our first drink. Leon का matcha latte looks very good. Latte आ गया है with some sugar. So let's take a sip. चलो try करो. Good. I'm not a fan of matcha. So our pancake is here now. Japanese style pancake, जो बहुत fluffy होता है. And if you, that is how fluffy it is. Ooh, it's so fluffy. So हमने ये गली में खाया था कॉलोनी नाम के रेस्टोरेंट से एंड इट्स कैफे स्वीट ब्रंच बाय EQI एंड यहाँ पे था वो वेरी स्वीट ओनर. उसने हमसे पर्सनली बात किया, पूछा तुम कहाँ से आए हो, तुमको ये रेस्टोरेंट कहाँ से मिला, and very sweet host also. Yeah, we recommend this place. The dish itself was 7 on 10 for us. Not how it was cooked. It was really nice. Taste was really nice, and it's just the type of dish is not something that Leon and I have a particular palate for. But one time try, definitely come here. अभी हम लोग चल के जा रहे हैं नाम्बा यासाका जिंगा. यहाँ पे hotels भी है बहुत सारी. So if you want to stay in Dotonbori Namba area, you could. वैसे बीच-बीच में ऐसे shrines आते हैं, छोटे-छोटे temples, very cute. very cute. ये आपा होटल्स जो है वो यहाँ पे हाँ बहुत बड़ी होटल चेन है पूरे जापान में. उनके बहुत छोटे-छोटे बहुत छोटे-छोटे रूम्स होते हैं, बट वो रूम में हम रहने वाले हैं वेरी सून. वहाँ से निकल के हम चलते आ गए हैं यहाँ पे ये लोकेशन पे द फेमस और ये उनका टेम्पल है. यहाँ पे जब तुम फॉर्चून रीड करते हो यू हैव टू लीव द चिट बिहाइंड इफ यू वांट टू, स्पेशली अगर बैड फॉर्चून आता है तो. या दिस इज वेयर वी आर. सो अभी हमारा नाम्बा यासाका भी हो गया like you saw, and basically with that we have completed all the touristy spots of Osaka, and I just wanted to come here and quickly share something कि ओसाका में हम लोगों ने 5 दिन spend किया, but honestly speaking 5 days का it's not necessary to spend in Osaka. Generally people who come on a 2-week trip probably don't even come to Osaka because Kyoto, which is just half an hour up north from here, is more scenic and more touristy as compared to Osaka. So just wanted to share that हम लोगों ने बहुत easy pace पे सारी चीजें की है. Like we have literally done one thing a day, and out of that even one day we actually did not do anything. We have just rested. This is Osaka. ये शिनसेकाई में खाना पीने का एक्सपीरियंसेस रहता है. और ये आर्चरी का गेम है. सब खाने का ही है और सब नॉनवेज है. क्या मिलेगा देखते हैं. Yeah, this game, dog game, you shoot in the dog, you can snap. Woohoo! जीता दिखा
pretzels, orange something.
चलो लियोन का भी गेम हो गया और हमने 10 शॉट्स में से 4 चीजें जीत ली है। अभी हम ये एक पार्क आए हैं जो आई थिंक उसके स्काईलाइन के आजू बाजू में है। हम यहाँ बैठेंगे, थोड़ा खाएंगे। बहुत ब्यूटीफुल जगह पे लाया है जहाँ पे हम बैठ के खाएंगे। वेरी ब्यूटीफुल। हम लोग एक ऐसे ही चलते चलते क्रिसमस मार्केट में आ गए। बहुत ही फुल ऑफ पीपल, फुल ऑफ वेरी पॉजिटिव वाइब्रेंट एनर्जी एंड ऐसे ही चिल टाइम पास जगह है।
Shinchan. Nice. Nice.
दिस इज वन प्लेस। ये प्लेस है चाओ चाओ गियोजा। यहाँ पे वी हैव अ वीगन मेन्यू ऐसा लिखा है। देयर इज 1-2 वीगन ऑप्शंस हियर, थर्ड वन हियर। नीचे भी बहुत सारे ऑप्शंस है। ओल्ड स्टाइल है। सो लेट्स गो। बढ़िया। तो यहाँ पे एक ही बंदा है जो खाना बना रहा है, ये भैया है। इट्स नेसेसरी टू ऑर्डर ड्रिंक्स एज वेल एज फूड। तो हमने फाइनली आवर फर्स्ट साके ऑर्डर किया है एंड वी बोथ आर डूइंग vegetarian gyozas. This is how sake is given. We are supposed to pour it in here. Pour करो। बोलता हुआ है sake. Cheers. Oh, इसका सब में से स्मेल आ रहा था। Why can't I like even a single alcohol? First set of gyozas, the second. So sake का इमीडिएट टेस्ट है, आफ्टर टेस्ट नहीं है। पहले तो मेरे को लगता है 1 मिनट चॉपस्टिक्स के साथ। Good evening from Kyoto. We have arrived to our hotel. This is the hotel we will be staying at, Mayu Grace Hotel. It's an Airbnb, but it's actually a hotel. So I will just walk inside. It is very beautiful. This is the entrance. We have the coffee machine, thank God. Tip, we arrived from train, but we took local train instead of Shinkansen. Shinkansen was costing us 3,000 yen each versus this was only 500 yen. We will quickly check out. Okay, so this is the entry door. And I think this is a shoe closet with 2 extra shoes down here, and there is a door on this side which is I think just the pot, which is good. This way there's a big lobby, but before the lobby there is an additional door. Okay, so this is the actual bathroom area, and then furthermore here is our kitchenette, and then finally our room over here is quite big. Nice room, very huge room. Because we're staying for a longer duration, they gave us a gift.
We got a postcard. We got a small bag.
And the chain.
Yeah, and a chain, and yeah, that's it.
It's cute. I got a free postcard from the trip.